how to actually use ChatGPT properly and stop wasting its potential. Most people use ChatGPT like a search engine. They ask one vague question, get a generic answer, and assume that's all it can do. That's not how you use it effectively. If you're an educator, small business owner, or busy professional, ChatGPT works best when you treat it like a thinking partner, not a magic answer machine. The first mistake people make is giving weak prompts. For example, asking, "Write me a lesson plan," is too vague. Instead, give context. You should specify the age group, the subject, the learning objective, the duration, the format you want. The more structured your input, the more structured your output. The second mistake is not refining responses. If the first answer is average, don't stop there. Ask it to simplify the language. Ask it to make it more engaging. Ask it to include examples. Ask it to shorten it to 5 bullet points. ChatGPT improves when you iterate. The third mistake is using it for answers instead of frameworks. Instead of asking it to write everything, ask it to create an outline, create a structure, create a checklist, create a comparison table, then refine from there. This keeps you in control. For educators, ChatGPT works well for drafting lesson outlines, creating discussion questions, rewriting text at different reading levels, generating assessment rubrics. For small business operators, it works well for drafting emails, planning content, clarifying offers, brainstorming service ideas. The key principle is this: clarity in equals clarity out. Specific prompts produce useful results. Vague prompts produce generic answers. If you start using ChatGPT this way, it becomes dramatically more powerful.